Grabe. Ay. Nakuha yung likod. Regina, cellphone mo ni Mudra. Cellphone ni Mudra. Ni Papam nga eh. Ni Papam. Ni Papam. My father, my brother. Pangay.
Lumbang mo.
Paglimbang. Dapito. Awamay naglimbang. Nakawala ka ni Papa. Maya ni Papa na yun. First time. Ayan. Tignan nyo na maigi. Di kayo mamakasublin. Wow. We are in the... Uy, tara doon, no. Daan tayo dito sa kabila. Tara doon, doon. No. May daanan doon, no. Let's go. Oh, dito tayo bababa, oh. Wow. Puwit Maniacs, thank you so much. Goats and donkey. There is no donkey here. Only a horse. You like to see the horse? There is the horse, color pink. See? Look there. Over there. This one. Ang ganda ba? Super duper beautiful. Mamaya na tayo magpicture doon sa baba. So, ang ganda. Let's go na. Baba na tayo.
Baba tayo.
Punta tayo doon sa kabila. Saan? Oh, sa pinakamataas. Tara doon. Ang dami din mga bata. Nakakalulaw dito sa taas. So, ginagawa pa nila yun, oh.
Yan pa, oh, bago yun.
Adopati quadra dito. Adopati. Akin bagay kaya ako.
Dito pala doon.
After me, 100 bawat.
Dati na-issue dito eh. Kinahin ko dati ito eh.
Dakol tax na to eh. It's very cool here in the Philippines. Especially here in Baguio.
Dokumatikwan na yan.
Zip line. Only zip line not here. Look. Oh my gosh. It's very beautiful. Yes. You know how much the ticket you come inside? Only $2. You come inside. $2 is good. Adult is $2. Citizen, I think $1.85. And children the same. Kids, the same $1.85. Let's go. Let's go other side. Tara doon. Let's go in upstairs. Oh my gosh, what is this? A view. A nice view. Wow. Another view.